Now, still in the design phase, you also have to ask, what kind of session is it? What is the purpose of this session? Is it a learning session? Is it a sharing session? Is it a business meeting? Are you making a pitch for approval to your bosses, your team, your investors, or regulator? Is it a private session? Is it public? Or is it a mixed session? It's important to know what kind of session it is. What's the purpose of the session? Because the purpose will determine how you prepare. If it is a learning session, then you know that there will be room for case studies, there will be activities, there will be question and answer, there will be a lot of teaching in between, there will be a lot of exchanges, there will be debates, you create activities for the participants. A learning session has to be very rich and robust. And then, of course, if it is a learning session, it tends to be a bit longer than just a sharing session. If it is a sharing session, then you know that you may not need to go deeply into your subject matters. I said you may not, right? So sharing session means there's more of dialogue. There's more of engagement. There's more of just talking and reflections. So you are not teaching, it's not formal, it's not serious. Is it a business meeting? If it's a business meeting, then it's a different thing. It means that there are specific outcomes. It could be a business meeting to facilitate networking. It could be a business meeting to share new knowledge. It could be a business meeting that is on a particular subject matter. It could be a business meeting that is for advocacy. It could be a negotiation meeting. It could be a kick-off meeting. You just need to know what is the purpose of the session you're facilitating. Because when we say facilitation here, remember, it is not just about teaching. It's about enabling a transformation process to occur. I've had calls to facilitate negotiations between different countries, sometimes 10 countries, 15. At other times you have stakeholders from up to 20 countries in the room, and you are facilitating the session. It's different from teaching. You're actually facilitating dialogue and conversation. So it's very important to know what's the purpose of the session. Each session's purpose determines how you deliver it. If it's a very large session, you know that there's no room for deep dives. Even when you have breakout sessions, they tend to be short, not very long, not very intense. But if you are teaching, for instance, maybe it's a training program or a discovery program for a group or an organization, you tend to go deeper. So you need to know the purpose of the session so that you can facilitate appropriately. Let's talk more about the audience. Who are you speaking to? How many are they? Is it in-house or external? Are they homogeneous? Are they the same people? Are they contemporaries? Or is it different groups of hierarchy that are there? Are they learners? Is it a regulated audience, right? Are they decision makers? Are they there voluntarily or against their wish? Yes, that one is very important. You need to know whether your audience is there voluntarily or against their wish. This is a deep dive into the audience, because now you're actually designing your session. So you need to know, what kind of audience am I designing for? So if you have a clear picture of what the audience comprises of, or who they comprise of, or what kind of characteristics they have, you'll be able to deliver better. So you need a bit more detail about your audience when you are designing. Got that? If you are designing for instance, an audience that wants to write an exam, you know that you have to go there with principles, you have to quiz them, you have to test them so that they are also prepared. If it's an audience that has to submit a project, you have to give them an activity to practice the project so that they don't say, oh, we didn't know we needed to do that. No. You have to curate your content in such a way that it helps them deliver that project. Okay? So it's very, very important for you to know who your audience is. Next two parts of design I'll talk about are: one, details of your objectives, and structure. See you.